So charging these new Newbeedrone 300 mAh with the NX69 connectors are pretty straightforward. As long as you have a charger that has PH 2.0 connectors on them. These are backwards compatible and will fit and charge off them. So let's plug these in, and they are pretty tight fitting though. So just so you know, spec sheet does say to charge them, they can be charged at 0.5 amps. I like to charge them at 1C, so I will keep them at 0.3 for charging. And you can see they are reading and charging.